Hi everyone. Now I am ready with the explanation of AAC aerated autoclave blocks. So the manufacture of these blocks will be using raw materials such as cement, fly ash, lime, aluminum powder and water. So we are adding some extra ingredient is lime compared to CLC blocks. So this aluminum powder serves same purpose, that is creating cellular uh, are voids in the concrete actually. So what are the steps in ASA manufacturing process? So first we will be preparing molds for this. So we will be getting uh, molds ready. So what actually these molds are? So it is similar to baking a cake at home actually. So we'll be first making a mold, right, like of our desired size. Then after preparation of this mold we'll be pouring our entire batter of some cake batter we'll be preparing. So that batter will be poured into that mold and we'll be leaving aside for a few minutes. Then we'll be baking it and we'll be cutting it into our desired shapes and equal number of parts actually. So the same process continues here. So first we will be preparing our mold. So this some quantity of bricks can be prepared with these molds. So these molds will be are of different sizes, are actually it is based on our requirement. So what we are doing is we will be fixing this mold with a bottom plate and we'll be greasing this mold entirely, so that while we are removing this it should not get break or cracked. The paste which we are uh, pouring in this mold should not get dislocated while we are removing this. So we'll be greasing this and then addition of raw materials to blender mixer. See, the entire process will be same, till this demolding the entire process will be same of CLC blocks. But uh, what differs is we will be using some machines which are of updated one actually. So is similar to CLC blocks, we will be mixing entire raw materials in the blender or the mixer. So for further blending will be done. Then these after this blending we will be pouring this entire mixture into these molds which we have prepared earlier, and uh, it will be left for some time, like it is an aeration process. So if we fill this mold with 3 by 4th part, so after the aeration it will get blown out like full, it will occupy full mold after the aeration. So some expansion will be there. This is because of this aluminum powder which we have used. And then after 15 to 20 minutes we'll be demolding this. So we'll be removing these side molds and we'll be remaining with some cupcake type thing like this. A cube will be formed actually. So this cube will be taken to a cutting machine, like it will be a horizontal cutting and vertical cutting. So first, like I will be showing with a picture. So if we think this as our block, so in horizontal cutting it will be going like this of required size. So then after uh, we'll be having with vertical cutting. So this vertical cutting is like this will be cutting like this. So there we will be forming a brick of required size, or else if I will be trying to show this in a 3D view. So firstly one cutting will be taken in this order, like this. Then another cutting will be in this order, following by this order even. So our block will get ready like this of required size. So this is the actual process of horizontal cutting and vertical cutting. Then will be separating this block and we will be sending this for steam curing. So this is the point where it differs with CLC blocks and AAC blocks. So we'll be sending these blocks into this steam curing. So it is like a boiler will be there, and due to continuous heat of around 200 degrees Celsius, a steam will be produced. With the help of that steam, we'll be curing these blocks. So it will be taking around 8 to 10 hours or 10 to 12 hours of steaming. After this steaming, the blocks will get ready. So the main advantage of this AAC block is the block will get ready within a span of 24 hours. So after 24 hours, we are ready to use this block in the construction. So this is the process that includes in AAC blocks. I hope you all understood this thing, but I was explaining it in a theoretical manner. So when you see this in a practical way, you will be able to understand. So there are a lot of videos in the YouTube which you can see the process of this process, entire process, uh, which is happening live actually. So you will be getting an idea what I have described till now. Thank you.